Hello, Tom from Every Step Calculus, EveryStepPhysics.com. Students send me this to solve. Please integrate by parts 3x squared times log of 2x and show the steps, please. So I'll do it. When you buy my programs for $40, you load them into your titanium here, and then you put in index 8 open and close parentheses, which shows that tells the calculator that you want to do a program. And there's instructions on all of this, of course, when you purchase my programs, and then you're on your way. Up comes the menu. I'm already at integration by parts to speed up the video here, but you'd scroll to it with this cloverleaf stuff here. Scroll to it, and there's over 150 menu items here for calculus, how to solve it step by step. This is integration by parts, and you're going to enter the function here. You press alpha first, 3 times x squared times second log of 2 times x, close off the parentheses, and then I show you the function that you've entered, and you can change it if you made a mistake or say it's okay. And we do the problem. Okay, here's u equals log of 2x. U du, derivative, is equal to 1 over x dx, and dv is a derivative. And now we're going to integrate this part. Here's the 3x squared. So we integrate 3x squared with respect to x dx, and we get x cubed plus c. Now we use the formula u times v minus the integral of v times du, and we put in the parts. Here's the u part, here's the v part, here's the v part, here's the du part, okay? And then we multiply it out if we can, simplify it, and we get x cubed times log of 2x minus the integral of x squared. Notice the x divides into x cubed, gets x squared. And this is pretty simple, downright simple. If you know it, nothing's simple as if you don't memorize it and work with it all the time like I do every day. And so the answer is x cubed times log of 2x minus the x cubed divided by 3 plus c. Pretty neat, huh? EveryStepCalculus.com. Go to my site, buy my programs, and pass your calculus tests, okay? Hey, have a good one.